Hey, James. It feels so good to finally take a break. Have you planned anything for your vacation yet?
Oh, absolutely. I've been counting down the days. I'm going to Italy for 2 weeks. I've wanted to visit Rome and Florence for years.
That sounds amazing. Italy is on my bucket list, too. What made you choose it this time?
Mostly the food and the history. I want to see the Colosseum, walk through the old streets, and of course, try authentic Italian pasta. I've been learning a few Italian phrases too.
Nice. I'm sure that'll help a lot. Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I'm going with my cousin. He's a big history buff, so we'll probably spend half the time in museums. What about you? Any travel plans?
Yeah, I'm heading to Japan for 10 days. It's been my dream trip for years.
Japan? Wow, that's awesome. What cities are you visiting?
Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. I can't wait to see the cherry blossoms, even though it might be a little early in the season. I've already made a list of cafes and temples I want to visit.
Sounds like you've got it all planned out. Are you going solo?
No, I'm traveling with my best friend. We love trying local food, so we're planning to explore as many ramen shops as possible.
That's the best way to experience a country, through its food. I did the same thing when I went to Thailand last year.
Really? How was it?
Incredible. The beaches were stunning, and the people were so friendly. I took a Thai cooking class, and now I can actually make pad Thai at home.
Wow, that's impressive. Maybe you should teach me sometime.
Deal. You bring back some Japanese recipes, and we'll have an international dinner night.
That sounds perfect. By the way, do you prefer relaxing vacations or adventurous ones?
I'd say a mix of both. I love exploring new cities and learning about the culture, but I also enjoy a day or two just relaxing by the beach. What about you?
I'm more of a slow traveler. I like taking time to enjoy small moments, sitting in a cafe, talking to locals, and just observing daily life.
That's a great approach. I sometimes rush too much trying to see everything.
Yeah, I used to do that too, but I realized vacations are supposed to help us slow down, not wear us out.
True. Speaking of that, do you usually plan every detail or go with the flow?
A bit of both. I make a basic plan, like flights, hotels, and major attractions. But I leave some days open for spontaneous adventures.
That's smart. I once tried a fully unplanned trip, and it turned into a bit of chaos. I couldn't find a place to stay one night.
Oh no. I'd panic if that happened. That's why I always book at least the first few nights ahead.
Lesson learned. So, what's the first thing you'll do when you arrive in Tokyo?
Probably visit Shibuya Crossing and grab sushi at a local place. Then maybe check out a few shrines. I love how peaceful they are.
That sounds incredible. I bet the culture shock will be fun too. Everything's so modern yet traditional there.
Exactly. That's what fascinates me most about Japan. What about you? What's at the top of your Italy list?
Definitely the Vatican and the Colosseum. I also want to try gelato in every city I visit.
You're going to need to walk a lot to balance that out.
That's the plan. I'll walk miles every day so I can eat guilt-free.
Smart strategy. Have you packed yet?
Not yet. I'm the type who packs the night before. You?
Oh, I started last week. I even made a checklist. I'm trying to pack light this time. Just one carry-on.
Impressive. I always overpack. I bring clothes I never even wear.
Same here. But I'm trying to be more minimal. The less I carry, the freer I feel.
That's a good mindset. Vacations are all about freedom and new experiences, after all.
Exactly. I can't wait to take a break from work, recharge, and come back refreshed.
Me too. You know, travel really changes you. It opens your mind and makes you appreciate what you have.
So true. It reminds us how big and beautiful the world is.
Well said, Emily. I can already tell we're both going to have amazing trips.
For sure. Let's promise to meet up again when we're back and share our travel stories.
Deal, maybe over coffee, just like today.
Perfect. To new adventures and unforgettable memories.
Cheers to that.